Hey, Nico, what are you doing?
We're setting up the house.
Whose house is that? Whose old dollhouse is that? Guys, whose is it?
Ours.
Whose did it used to be?
Yours.
Not mine. It was your mom's.
My mom's.
It's your mom's old dollhouse. What do you like best about it?
Nico, there's a fridge. It's a dollhouse.
It has lots of little cute stuff in it, doesn't it? What do you
what's
like?
This?
Do you like it, Climbing?
What's this?
Come show me your favorite thing.
What's this? Oh, ladder. That's what it looks like to me. One looks like a shelf. Hey, where's the baby? We need a baby. Hey, look at that. There's a fridge.
Did the door come off of it?
Yeah.
We might glue it back.